Welcome. In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the tiles or customize the tiles menu on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And now, to access the tiles menu, you can swipe left or right on the home screen, like this, to scroll through the list of tiles. And we can customize the list. We can change a couple of things. To do it, press and hold on one of the tiles to open the editing mode. And here we can do three things. We can remove the tile by tapping on the minus icon above it. Come on. You just need to hit it. Or no, you can simply swipe up on the screen like that to remove it. You can add the tile by tapping on the plus button and selecting the one from the list. Like this. And you can also change the order of the list. So basically you can move the apps to the place you want them to be. So let's say I want the calculator to be right after the watch face. So I'm gonna tap on the arrow icon to move it. And once you move it, it should be here. And then once you're done editing the menu, you can press the crown button to go back to the watch face and apply the changes. And now when I open the tiles, the calculator will be the first. And the one we removed should be gone. And it is gone. Okay, if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do this on the phone app. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here so you can see it. Zoom out the camera like this, maybe a little further like that. Wake up the screen, unlock it, close this, open the Huawei, or rather not Huawei, my bad, MOBVOI Health application. Then tap on device, and here, as you can see, I have the TicWatch Pro 5 because this is the phone that my watch is paired with. And on the phone that your watch is paired with, you can scroll through the device page, find the tiles option, and here we can customize it. We can add the tiles by tapping on the switch next to them to enable them and add them to the list, like that. To remove the tiles, of course, you need to disable them by tapping on the switch next to them. And to reorder the list, you can press and hold on the sorting button next to the tile you want to move, and then move it to the place you want it to be in, and then release it. And once you're done, you can close the app, and the changes should be applied. So we can close the app. As you can see, the changes applied on our watch. And that's how you change the tiles or customize the tiles menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.